Yo, what's up everyone? I'm back here putting the proportioning valve on. And it's under the driver's side on the frame. So up near the driver's side front tire, but a little back from it on the frame. So mine, you can see the exhaust is running right by mine. You can just follow the brake lines to it. But yeah, there it is right there. And it's for the four-wheel disc brake. And this is a 9/16. And I use line wrenches on this one. On all the lines, I use line wrenches to tighten all the way, or I will, and then to break it loose. So this is a 9/16. All the little ones were 11mm, and there's 3 of those. And then there's another big one up top, and that was I used a 14mm because it felt more snug, but it might have been 9/16 originally. And then there's a 13mm. There should be 2 probably. Mine only has 1. Excuse me. And yeah, that's it. So I got them all snug, and I'm about to tighten them with the line wrenches. Then I can put on this linkage again that I took off just because it was in the way a little bit. And then yeah, I can see I'll probably bleed the brakes first though before I do that. Well, actually I'll put all that back together, but then I got a brake bleeding tool that I could put up in there that's supposed to keep it at the same pressure, I believe, so when you're bleeding it you don't have any issues. But yeah, there it is. So that's a proportioning valve, and it's pretty straightforward. And also I put these 2 top ones on first before I bolted this 13mm right here, and I screwed these in because those were the ones that had a little bit of an angle to them, and they seemed like they're gonna be hardest to get on. So that way it was pretty easy. I just put those on pretty easy. Then I put this in and connected these up, and yeah, there it is. All right, see you guys later. Peace.